Hello student, welcome to our channel Learning Zoology with AC. I am Dr. Aruna Chakravarti, Associate Professor of Zoology, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. For BSc Part 2nd student, today we are discussing estimation of hemoglobin. Sally method is a way of determining the hemoglobin content in the blood. The device contains hemoglobin tube, pipette, stirrer, and a comparator. Hydrochloric acid present in the device convert the hemoglobin into hematine acid, which is then diluted so that the diluted hematine acid color matches with the comparator. The principle of Siley method or acid hematine method is quite easy, that when the blood is added to N by 10 hydrochloric acid, the hemoglobin present in RBCs is converted to acid hematine, which is a dark brown color compound. Now, hemoglobin, structure of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin comprises 4 subunits, each having one polypeptide chain and one heme group. All hemoglobin carry the same prosthetic heme group, iron protoporphyrin 9, associated with a polypeptide chain of 141 alpha and 146 beta amino acid residues. Hemoglobin in blood carries oxygen from the lungs or gills to the rest of the body, that is tissue. There is releases of oxygen to permit aerobic respiration to provide energy to power the function of the organism in the process called metabolism. Hemoglobinometer is a manual device for estimation of hemoglobin percentage. First of all, clean the index finger or mid finger using spirited cotton balls before pinprick using unused lancet. Add N by 10 HCl into tube up to mark 2G percentage. Now fill the 2 ml blood in pipette. Next add the blood in tube containing HCl. Mix the blood with acid thoroughly. Allow it to stand for 10 minutes. Place hemoglobinometer tube in comparator glass while matching the color. The rod must be removed. Remove the stirrer and make reading directly by noting the height of diluted acid hematine and express in gram percentage. The method of choice for hemoglobin determination is the Sain-Smith hemoglobin method. This is a type of calorimeter method. Hemoglobin is detected by Siley methods. Blood is mixed in a solution containing potassium cyanide and potassium ferricyanide. The potassium ferricyanide converts hemoglobin to methemoglobin, which is converted to methemoglobin by potassium cyanide. The absorbance of the solution is then measured in a spectrophotometer at a wavelength of 540 nm. For the estimation of hemoglobin, reagent requires hemoglobin standard, available commercially at a specific concentration, stored in a brown bottle as it is photosensitive. Exposure to light causes deterioration in the strength of standard. The concentration of standard used in this demonstration is 14.8 gram percentage. Drapkin solution. pH of the solution is 7 to 7.4. Unstable if exposed to light. Stored at room temperature in brown borosilicate bottles. Procedure. Take 5 ml of Drapkin solution in a test tube. Mix the blood sample by gentle inversion and draw 0.02 ml of blood into hemoglobin pipette. Wipe the outer surface of the pipette to remove excess blood. Place the pipette into the tube containing Drapkin solution and slowly expel the blood into the solution. Mix well and let it stand undisturbed for 5 minutes. Measure the absorbance of this solution at 540 nanometer in a spectrophotometer after adjusting the OD at 0 by using Drapkin solution as planned. Calculate the hemoglobin concentration using standard curve. The ferrous ion of the hemoglobin molecules are oxidized by potassium ferricyanide to ferric ion. Calculate the hemoglobin concentration using a standard curve. For preparation of standard curve, make serial dilution of the reference solution with Drapkin solution. As the hemoglobin present in the solution is known, the hemoglobin concentration of each dilution will also be known. Take the OD of each dilution in the calorimeter against the blank of Drapkin solution. Plot the OD against the hemoglobin concentration on a linear graph paper. The absorbance is plotted on the vertical axis and the hemoglobin concentration on the horizontal axis. The point should lie in a straight line that passes through the origin. From this graph, a table of reading and the corresponding hemoglobin value can be prepared. This is more convenient than the graph, especially when a large number of readings have to be taken. After OD of the sample is taken, the corresponding hemoglobin value can be directly read from the table. For standard curve of hemoglobin, when plotting a graph of optical density of the hemoglobin standard solution on the vertical axis and the concentration of standard on the horizontal axis, a straight line is passes through the origin is called the standard curve of hemoglobin. For calculation, concentration of hemoglobin in sample is equal to absorbance of sample divided by absorbance of standard into concentration of standard. Concentration of standard is available on the kit insert. Measure its absorbance against a blank of Drapkin solution. The normal range for hemoglobin is for men 13.5 to 17.5 gram per deciliter, for women 12 to 15.5 gram per deciliter. Hemoglobin concentration is used clinically to determine the presence of anemia, which is functionally defined as insufficient red blood cells mass to adequately deliver oxygen to peripheral tissues. Meat and fish, soya products including tofu, eggs, dried food such as dates and figs, broccoli, green leafy vegetables such as kale and spinach, green beans, nuts and seeds increases hemoglobin concentration. So thanks for watching.